Hello and welcome to a special video for compressing your files. Now, when you have lots and lots of files on the internet, sometimes it's best to compress them. And what we can call is you can actually zip them. Now, this is done by a special software called WinZip. Okay, so you can actually download WinZip for free on the internet. If you click on downloads on winzip.com, and you can just go to WinZip Self Extractor, and what you can do is you can try this for a free trial, or you can download WinZip 12.0, which is an evaluation version, but you can still it still works. Okay. Once you've downloaded this software to your desktop, to zip a file is pretty easy. Okay, I'm going to give you an example here. So for example, let's do this example here. We've got a file here, document in Word, and if I want to zip this file, I simply install the program WinZip, right click this, and I head over to add to archive. Okay, and once I'm on add to archive, I simply select the format I want. So in this case it's zip. Okay, and I simply name the file. So I'm going to keep the file to document test.zip, and then I click OK. And as you can see, our file is compressed, and we can send this as a compressed file. It saves a lot of storage space, and you can do this with images and larger music files as well. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something new.